Today, we're taking an in-depth look at the 2024 Honda CB650R. This bike has been making waves in the motorcycle community. And we're here to find out why. Let's dive right in. First up, let's talk about the heart of this beast. The 2024 CB650R is powered by a 649cc liquid-cooled inline four-cylinder engine. It delivers a smooth and responsive ride, with a peak power of 69.7 kilowatts at 12,000 revolutions per minute and 63.3 Newton-meter of torque at 9,500 revolutions per minute. One of the standout features this year is the new Honda E-clutch system. This innovative technology allows you to shift gears without using the clutch lever, making it easier for both new and experienced riders. The 2024 model also comes with a brand new 5-inch TFT display. Offering Honda RoadSync connectivity, this makes it super easy to stay connected while you're on the go. In terms of design, the CB650R continues to impress with its Neo Sports Cafe styling. It is sleek, modern, and definitely turns heads. The bike is available in 5 stunning colors. For the standard type, we have the matte gunpowder black metallic, matte laurel green metallic, candy chromosphere red. For the E-clutch type, we have the matte gunpowder black metallic and candy chromosphere red. Comfort-wise, the seat height is 810 millimeters, which is quite accessible for most riders. The bike weighs in at 203 kilograms, making it manageable and agile. On the road, the CB650R handles beautifully. The show of 41mm big piston fork and mono shock at the rear with 10-stage preload adjuster and aluminum cast swing arm provide a smooth ride. While the dual 310mm front disc and single 240mm rear disc with ABS ensure you have plenty of stopping power. With the SRP of 524,000 pesos, you can have the 2024 Honda CB650R. Fantastic blend of performance, style, and technology. Whether you're a seasoned rider or just starting out, this bike has something to offer. Again, this has been Jay-Z. Enjoy the ride.